Hello everyone. You may notice I'm somewhere a little different, right? Or you may recognize it too. I'm at the Shadbush Nature Center. And I'm here for a very specific reason, one I'm really excited to share with you. We have some friends who flew all the way in. And what I mean by flew, that's a little hint, right? We're going to visit some new bird friends. We're gonna meet some falcons and some owls. So I'm super excited for you to go check it out.
Yeah, she's not a great horned owl, but she looks a lot like the typical great horned owl. There are some differences. She is smaller, quite a bit smaller than a great horned owl. If you're seeing them at a distance though, that's hard to tell. And the few little differences are those horn feathers or plumicorns are closer together and they are very long. Sometimes when he does go back in his box, he makes a very special call that we know is a happy sound. Sometimes he will, sometimes he doesn't. So we can try.
But when a bird flies, it has to push air, or you don't get to see the air. If you're in the right place, you can feel a little bit of air that comes from their wings. Because the real way that they go up and frontwards is by pushing a lot of air down and backwards. So every time you see a bird fly, remember it's going up and frontwards because it's pushing air down and backwards. And that's the real trick of how they fly. She came to us because she had been on a racing team. There are a lot of birds that have special compasses inside their head that make them fantastically good at finding their way home.